Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I know Christmas is around the corner and we are still probably putting out Thanksgiving decoration, but I wanted to go ahead and give you guys a head start on some Christmas ideas. I'm gonna be doing a quick tutorial on how I'm wrapping my Christmas presents this year. So let me show you what they're going to look like. This is how I'm gonna be wrapping all of my gifts this year. Pretty quick, easy, simple, but very classy and elegant. And I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial on how I do it, what supplies that I use, and a couple game changers. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first game changer that I wanted to show you were these clips. These clips go on the side of your table, countertop like I'm using. It holds the tape on this side, and then it just clips onto your counter. And then you just put in your wrapping paper here, and then it just locks in on the other side. It is so cool. I got these from Amazon, so I'll show you. I'll give you guys a link. First thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place the box on the wrapping paper and try and measure it as best as I can to make sure that the box is completely covered. It was at this moment that I realized that there was too much wrapping paper on the sides, so I needed to cut off a little bit off of each side. That way I didn't have excess wrapping paper. You can cut off of each side, or you can just move it over to one side and then cut off of the opposite side. That way you can try and salvage some of the wrapping paper. I clearly didn't do that, but just kind of giving another tip. Now that the sides are short enough, I am just trying to cover the sides, and I'm trying to make like the folds fold over each other that then make a point at the top. The struggle is real, y'all. So you guys can see me struggle for a little bit. I'm just trying to fold it as tight as possible with making these points at each end. And I work with the present bottom facing me. So I'm just working to lay these down. And another tip is don't use lotion before wrapping your presents because it leaves fingerprints all over them. The second tip is to use black tape. I used clear because I couldn't find black. The black that I purchased was more of a gray, so I just used the clear that I had. But if you can find black, it would probably look a lot cleaner. So I just fold these both on each side, making the point at the top and the bottom, and then folding them over each other and then taping them. Onto the ribbon. So I am using a black velvet ribbon, and I start again at the bottom
and I am wrapping it around the present to try and make this pretty little bow. So again, I start with the bottom of the present facing up and then put it around the present, tie it, and then I flip it over and then I make the bow. That way the ribbon's around the whole present. I'm just working with the bow to make sure that it's even, it's laying properly. I put this little berry added piece from Hobby Lobby. It's just like a gold frosted berry. I thought it was cute to add it to all the gifts. And that's the finished product.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video on how to wrap a Christmas gift. If you guys have easier ways on wrapping your gifts, please let me know. I would love to learn something new. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please like and subscribe, comment if you'd like, let me know what you think. And I will be posting some more Christmas ideas pretty soon. So please make sure you subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next video. Wait, don't leave yet. I wanted to show you my wrapping paper bag. Another Amazon find. I'll link it. All right. Okay, it's really bye this time. Okay, bye.